Yeah, so you start in that position and just relax. Don't even do anything. Do you feel any pull in that position?
Not at all.
Okay, so then don't move your body, but let your ankles kind of extend so your toes are pointed.
Okay.
Now do you feel any pull in that position?
Not at all.
So then now slide your body down a little bit.
Okay. Like there?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so there, do you feel any pull?
I'm starting to.
Okay, so from that position, now you're starting to feel it. You just flex and then relax, or even kind of kick it down in this bouncing motion.
You feel that popping? I don't know if you can feel it.
I can't feel it.
It pops every time.
Is it the hamstring you feel popping, or what do you feel?
Knee.
The knee?
Yeah.
So you do maybe 20 of those little drops,
Yeah.
and then you just let it hang.
Okay.
And then you do another 20 and you let it hang. And maybe if you watch that clock, we'll do 3 minutes.
Okay.
So every minute you do 20 and you let it hang for the rest of the minute before you start the next cycle.